Hello everyone, in this video I am going to make a very cute lion sling pouch bag for kids. So first, using the cardboard pattern that I cut as my guide, I did cut 2 pieces of my outer lining measuring 8" by 9". 2 pieces of fusible fleece, 8" by 9". 2 pieces of inner lining measuring 7" by 8". As for the ears, I did cut 4 pieces of the same fabric as my outer lining and 2 pieces of the fusible fleece. For the strap, I did use 44" by 2". Also did use 2 pieces of 1.5 D-ring and 2 pieces of swivel hook and a 9" zipper. Using the outer lining and the fusible fleece one at a time, I am now going to fuse or iron the blue side of the fusible fleece facing the wrong side of the outer lining, and that is the same as here. This part, I am going to start by drawing lines as my guide because I decided to quilt my outer lining, and then I did proceeded to sew the following lines using a running stitch. So I did measure the outer lining bigger than the inner lining because sometimes if you quilt it will shrink. So now I am going to trim my quilted outer lining measuring 7" by 8", and that should be the same as my inner lining. Okay, so now they should be all the same sizes, 7 inches by 8 inches. Okay, so for the zipper installation, starting with one piece of the inner lining and one piece of the quilted outer lining, I am going to cut 5 inches by 8 inches. Zipper with the 2 inches by 8 inches, inner lining facing up and the quilted lining facing down, using clips or pins to hold, then proceed to sew. Installing my zipper, I just have to press them nicely. So next I am going to sew the earpieces together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving the bottom straight side open. proceed to sew. So using my lion's head pattern cardboard, I'm now going to trim the edges of my fabrics. Going to baste the ears in place, keeping the right sides facing down and the raw edges aligned. Then the ear should not hang off the edges, but instead facing down in front, the panel and pointing down. Together with my 2 inches by 3 inches attachment for my 2 1.5 D-rings, I just put it on top of the ear and then proceeded to sew. Okay, so now I'm going to sew all of my fabrics, leaving 3 inches allowance for my opening. For the nose and the eyes, I did use glitter heat transfer vinyl, and for the mouth I did use a strip black heat transfer vinyl. Sling pouch bag.